Today on Smackey's Garage, we're going to be looking at adding a McGard tailgate lock to my F-150. This is supposed to make it much harder for someone just to walk up and take your tailgate off and run away with it. We all know how expensive these are, so it's better to protect them. Let's go ahead, let's jump into it. Okay, so this tailgate lock is going to be pretty easy to install. It's a simple part. We'll take a look at it, but all we need to do is slip the door out of the passenger side over there, and then we can go ahead and put this in place. Now, here's what you get in the package. Very simple. You have the lock, you have a cap for it, and then you have this key here, which you can turn by hand or with a tool. And we're going to go ahead and take this, we'll loosen it up, and then we'll look at how it goes together. So, a few different pieces. We're going to end up using one of these for the F-150. They also give you two different collars, so this works on Ford and GM vehicles. So this is the GM one. We're going to be using the Ford one here, so we can go ahead and toss that out. But the installation is going to be pretty easy, and it's going to all focus right down here. Okay, now to make this work, I need to pull this up, and we're going to end up slipping this ring here over this, and it's going to line up directly with this opening here. So to pull the tailgate up, you got to move it, lift it, move it 45 degrees so that it's pointing this way, and then pull it straight up and out. So they give you this piece of tape here to put on it just to hold it in position. So we're going to try that out. Let's see if we can do it all in one motion. Let's see. So lift and pull. Okay, it's out. Now with this out, we're going to go ahead and slip this over. We're going to go ahead and slip this over in the position it says, so just like that. Then need to add the tape to it to hold it. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. Then after that's done, it says just take this, slide it into place. So that tape doesn't really work that well, I will say. Go ahead, try to slide it in position. Right there. And we're in position. Okay, so that wasn't bad. We can remove the tape now. Now, just is adding the locking feature to it. Now to add this we want putting straight up, so that way. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this, wrap it around, and I'm gonna push it back underneath and into this plastic, and then use the tool that they give us to get it into place. Now they say torque to 40 inch-pounds, but really hand tight should be okay. I'm going to go ahead and torque it to 30 inch-pounds. Which I even feel like is overkill for this. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this in so nothing else corrodes, and we should be all set. Now the way this works is this actually protects the tailgate from being able to be lifted out. So while this is in place, you're not going to be able to lift the tailgate out. So to take the tailgate off again, you got to remove this. And it's nice and secure. You know, it works perfectly with the door, doesn't impede the movement at all. Now with this, you need to make sure that you don't lose this little key. This key is what helps you get it off again. So I'm going to put it in my truck in my glove compartment. A lot of safe places you can keep it, but you know, if you do have an issue and you do lose it, you can contact them to get another, but you don't want to lose it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my glove compartment somewhere safe. Here's what they give you. They give you a piece of paper that has the McGard logo on it with a number on it, which I'm assuming is the number that corresponds to that key with the date code. So if you do need to get another lock or key for this, you can. Thanks for tuning in this week to Smackey's Garage. I'll link this product down in the description if you want to get it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.